how to get fluent in English.
Yeah, obviously you already have a fantastic level of English. Films or TV series in English?
No.
No, so you never really get the time to watch films.
Yes, I don't have any time to watch.
That is
But
okay.
yeah,
Um,
sometimes I watch YouTube for conversation videos.
yeah, okay, that's good. Something else you could do is download English radios or podcasts. Um, these are, you can do these when you are making dinner or driving somewhere, or, like if you just get 20 minutes to
Okay.
yourself. Um, and you can download an app called Say Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how
Hello.
are
Nice
you?
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Maya. What's your name?
My name is Ceci.
Nice to meet you, Ceci. And where are you from?
I am from India. You are from Maya?
I'm from England.
England. Okay.
Yes.
Can I
Uh,
know what is the meaning of your name, Maya?
I have absolutely no idea. I've never looked into it.
Oh, okay.
What about
Understand.
you? Do you know the meaning of your name?
No, it is my mother-in-law's name, my
Okay.
father's sister's name.
Amazing. Yeah, unfortunately, I have no idea, but I will have to look into that sometime, and I can let you know. So, can you tell me a little about you, just so I can know you better?
Yes, I tell you about myself.
Yeah.
I am from India. I'm a housewife. I have a
Okay.
one baby girl.
Amazing.
Yeah, I am take care of her. Yeah,
Okay. And how old is she?
she's 3 years old now.
3 years old.
Yes, you
Amazing.
are right.
Amazing. It sounds lovely. Well, I'm Maya. Hi.
Hi.
I have been traveling for the last 2 years. So I just basically live and work in different countries.
Oh,
I'm currently in Mexico, and I travel
okay.
for fun just because. Um, so yeah, Mexico is the current place I'm in, and I work full time on Cambly.
Oh,
Yeah. So what about you? Are you someone that
since
enjoys traveling?
since since when you are working in Cambly?
About 9 months.
9 months. Okay. Before that, what you are doing?
Well, it depends on the country that I'm in.
Okay.
Previously, I used to um, change jobs for every
Oh,
country that I'm in. Um, but once I found, so I worked as a waiter, a waitress. I worked as a bartender, like just easy jobs to travel with. Um, and then when I started on Cambly, um,
okay.
it's a job that can come with me wherever I go. So definitely much easier for traveling to have a permanent job.
Yes, you are right.
What
You
about
have
you?
been India. You have been India. Do you know India about India? You
I
traveled
haven't
India.
been there yet. Not yet.
What?
Not yet. I would love to one day, but I haven't made it there just yet.
Okay, understand.
Yeah. What
Which
about you? Did you, obviously, you are full-time mum right now, which is definitely a full-time job in itself.
yes,
But before your baby girl, were you working at all, or?
I'm a student. Before I got married, I studied my engineering. I
Okay, so
completed my engineering studies here.
what did you study?
I studied engineering.
Oh, engineering. Okay,
Engineering.
amazing.
Yes,
Uh, and so you studied engineering at university, and then you got married after university.
yes.
Yeah,
After complete my engineering, then
yeah.
I got married. Then I have one baby.
Then you got blessed with your baby. So yeah, no, being a full-time mom is 100% a full-time job. Like I,
Yes.
yeah, I completely agree with that. And spending as much time with your kids as possible as well. Like you just want to be there. You want to be a part of their life. Like I hope to do what you're doing when I have kids one day.
Yes, you got married or
No, I live with my boyfriend, but we're not
okay,
married.
okay.
So we're just kind of, I don't know, we're at like a level where we live together and we travel together, but we don't want to get married just yet. Like we'd rather spend that money on traveling than, I feel like marriage kind of signals the next step, and like settling somewhere, getting married, getting a proper job, like that's kind of the next phase in life.
Yes. Which marriage you like most?
What do you mean?
Marriage, which marriage? You know, here we have some different marriages
Oh,
by
really?
different village.
Uh, okay, like what?
What?
Like you said, different marriages. Like what?
Like
What?
what?
Yes, I'm very English. Sorry, sometimes I say things a bit differently.
Yes, it is very difficult to understand what you speak. I
Sorry.
cannot catch. Okay. Here we have some difference between in marriages. You know, some Christian marriages are having both are promise each other.
Um, okay. I am not really sure. Can't. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think we will have a religious wedding. Like maybe there would be some religious aspects for my grandma, but for me, not. It's not really important to have a religious wedding, and nor to my boyfriend either. It's not really something we were raised with. So yeah, it's not something that is extremely important to me. Just as long as we are happy and faithful,
Yes,
then that is good for me. I just want to be happy, to be honest.
yes. Okay, I am learning English through Cambly,
Hmm.
regularly talking with the native speaker.
Yes.
So I teach
Um,
English to my children,
Amazing.
and I have aim to go USA for my higher studies, doing master's degrees.
Oh, amazing. When would you like to go?
I am not sure yet because it is very pandemic days. It is going corona
COVID. So you're not
COVID.
sure.
Yes,
Yeah, you're not sure when you want to go
yes,
because of the pandemic.
yeah.
Uh, but you know it's something you would like to do.
Yeah, now I have time to learn English
Yeah.
to become fluent.
Yes. The more English skills you go with and practice with now, the better it will be for you when you go.
Yeah, can you give me any advice and suggestions how to get fluent in English?
Yeah. Obviously, you already have a fantastic level of English. So, how many lessons on Cambly do you have per week?
I have one class for a week.
Okay, for 15 minutes.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, good. So speaking on Cambly, obviously, is going to help you to improve. I know you are busy with your little girl, but
Okay.
do you ever
Yes.
watch films or TV series in English?
No.
No, so you never really get the time to watch films.
Yes, I don't have any time to watch.
That is
But
okay.
yeah,
Um,
sometimes I watch YouTube for conversation videos.
yeah, okay, that's good. Something else you could do is download English radios or podcasts. These are, you can do these when you are making dinner or driving somewhere, or, like if you just get 20 minutes to
Okay.
yourself. Um, and you can download an app called Say Hi. And it's basically just a speaking translation app. It looks like this.
Okay. Say
And
hi.
yeah, and it's basically just two microphones that you can
Okay.
speak into, and it saves everything you ask it. So if
Okay.
you hear a new word in English that you don't know, or you want to say a word in your mother tongue and you think, I don't know how to say that in English, you can just say it into this app. It's really quick, really easy. You don't have to figure out how to spell it.
Uh,
It's a really good translation app.
and it
Um,
correct my speech.
it will, if you say it will tell you how to spell it and how to pronounce it. So when you click on it, it
Okay.
will say it out loud and tell you how to pronounce it. So also, if you read or even listen to audiobooks in English, just
Okay.
whenever you can. I know that you obviously do not have a lot of time. So whenever you get spare time, or maybe even if you read to your daughter in English, just pick books. It's just tiny little bits of extra practice every day. Maybe, if you read one book in English and one book in your mother language, just so she's practicing and you're practicing.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be constant. You do not have to be sitting there in English lessons. It's just whatever you can do, whenever you can do it, is going to make a difference for you.
Okay.
So if you can spare 20 minutes to listen to a podcast, maybe you are,
Okay.
like I said, making dinner, or doing something around the house, or she's down for a nap and you have 20 minutes to do something and you can have it on in the background. Like,
Uh,
it's just kind of little bits of extra practice that you wouldn't have had before. I do that. I'm trying to learn Spanish, and if I don't know, my boyfriend makes dinner more than I do, but if I'm making dinner, or if I'm normally I make breakfast. I'll have like a Spanish